Hello from Blowhard. I'm Ben Hadlock, Vice President and Blowhard Extraordinaire. Today we want to briefly discuss volumetric airflow and how it relates to positive pressure ventilation. CFM, meters cubed per hour. Volumetric airflow at the entrance point. For decades, this has been an indicator for the firefighting industry as to how effective a fan will be while ventilating a structure. What's the CFM, or how many meters cubed per hour can this produce, are typically the first questions asked by firefighters. So let's take a look at what volumetric airflow at the entrance points is and why that might be important. Let's say you have a structure that is full of little airborne monsters such as smoke, toxins, particulates, poisonous gases, etc. A firefighter will be more effective and safer with these little monsters taken out. An effective positive pressure ventilation fan is exactly what you need to save the day and rid yourself of these pesky little guys. We'll also need an entrance point for our superhero PPV fan to arrive, in spectacular fashion of course, to deploy the troops of fresh air into the structure. We'll also need an exit point to kick these little pesky monsters out. While we wouldn't want to put our hero on a pedestal solely for its volumetric airflow capabilities, our hero can definitely flex a little muscle in this area by the number of troops it can deploy, so it's important. Of course, a true superhero PPV fan would have no problem generating a strong flow into the entrance point, through the structure, and out the exit point, taking more airborne monsters with it along the way. If it flexes a little more and deploys more of the good guys, volumetric airflow would increase and result in increased flow through the structure and likely greater airflow velocity through the exit point, which is exactly what we want to kick some ventilation butt. Effective ventilation begins by landing that strong attack of fresh air, and that's exactly what high volumetric airflow gives you. The more troops deployed into the structure, the more flow generated, pushing those little monsters out of the structure more quickly. While the strong attack of good guys delivered by the volumetric airflow capabilities of the fan is important, the true value of our superhero PPV fan is in the number of little villains it can remove in as little time as possible, or airflow velocity at the exit point. This is fan specific and does not always correlate to the stated CFM or meters cubed per hour capacity for that fan. Demo fans side by side and gather data in real time if possible to determine the best PPV fan for your department. For more information or testing assistance, visit our website at www.blowhardfans.com or email us at info@blowhardfans.com. Thanks for watching.